End your day with purpose, a nightly ritual for growth. Every evening before we fall asleep, we have a sacred opportunity, a moment to look back, reflect, and reconnect with ourselves. What did we experience today that brought us joy? What lessons did life offer us? In which moments could we have responded with more grace, more wisdom, or more love? Rather than rushing into sleep, we can use this time to integrate the day, to gather insights, to give thanks, and to gently close the chapter of today with peace. Keep a journal by your bed. Write down at least 5 things you're grateful for, even the simple ones. A warm meal, a smile from a stranger, the beauty of birdsong, the sunlight on your face, or simply the breath in your lungs. Also, reflect on how you showed up today. Were there moments when fear or judgment took over? Don't criticize yourself, just notice. Ask, what was this trying to teach me? Or, how can I respond differently next time? And if you're carrying something heavy, an unresolved moment, a difficult conversation, or a lingering regret, place it gently in the hands of life. Breathe deeply and trust that you don't have to figure it all out tonight. Just your willingness to grow is enough. Remember, everything that happens in our lives holds a message, an invitation to grow. Even the challenges carry gifts if we're willing to receive them. When we end the day with gratitude, reflection, and trust, we don't just sleep better, we wake up renewed, more connected to our purpose, more aligned with who we truly are. So tonight, before you close your eyes, pause, reflect, give thanks, and trust that tomorrow is already on its way with even more light.